this video, we're going to convert standard linear equations to slope-intercept form. Now remember, ax plus by equals c is known as the standard form of a linear equation, while y equals mx plus b is known as the slope-intercept form. Now why do we care? Well, when graphing linear equations on a coordinate plane, we prefer to use the slope-intercept form due to the information that it presents, namely the m being the slope and the b being the y-intercept. Now, to change standard form into slope-intercept form, we'll use a few steps. Step 1 is to move the x term to the opposite side of the equation as the y term, meaning if it's on the left side with the y term, we need to move it. If it's already on the right side of the equation while the y is on the left side of the equation, we can leave it alone. Now what I mean by move is to add or subtract the x term from both sides of the equation. If it is a positive x term, we need to subtract. Our equation operations tell us we do the opposite in order to eliminate it from one side. If it's a negative x term, we will add. Now that second step, and actually the last step, is to divide the whole equation or the entire equation by the coefficient in front of the y term. Now let's see this in action. I have an example. 3x minus 6y equals 24. This is a standard form linear equation. Step 1 told me to move my x term. In this example, my x term is positive. In order to move it, I must subtract the 3x. And I don't just do it to one side, I do it to both sides. You may ask why I offset the 3x from the 24, because those are not like terms and we can only add and subtract like terms. 3x minus 3x will cancel out. I'm left with negative 6y equals 24 minus 3x. The next step told us to divide by the coefficient in front of the y. So I'm going to divide by negative 6. And I'm going to divide each term on the right side by negative 6 as well. As a result, I end up getting y equals a negative 4 plus a 1/2 x. Now, to make it in the more accepted form y equals mx plus b, we want the x term first, so I will rearrange to be y equals 1/2 x minus 4.